Presenting the Kia 2018 Niro EX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.